Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Govee lights not connecting to Wi-Fi, quick apps and reset fix. Fix 1 is check Wi-Fi network compatibility. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If your router combines 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, temporarily connect to 2.4 GHz. Try connecting the Govee lights again in the Govee Home app. Second one is restart the Govee light. Turn the light off, then unplug it from the power for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and try connecting again. Third one is restart your router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router, then wait about 1 minute. Plug it back in and wait until the internet is working. Try connecting the light again. Fourth one is check app permissions. Open your phone setting, then find Govee Home in the app list. Allow location, Bluetooth and nearby device permission. Reopen the app and try again. Fifth one is update the Govee Home app. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then search for Govee Home. Install any available update, then restart the app and reconnect the light. Thanks for watching.